Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to clean up your code and make it more readable, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to format your code in Visual Studio Code like a pro. Whether you're working in Python, JavaScript, or C#, I'll cover all the tips and tricks you need to streamline your workflow. So, let's dive right in. Another great way to format your code in Visual Studio Code is by using the command palette. This feature allows you to access various commands quickly without navigating through menus. To open the command palette, simply press Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows. Once it's open, select Format Document to format your entire file. If you only want to format a specific section of your code, you can highlight that section first, and then use the same command to format just the selected code. It's a quick and efficient way to ensure your code looks clean and professional. And that's it. You now know how to format your code in Visual Studio Code using keyboard shortcuts and the command palette. Keeping your code clean and organized makes a huge difference in readability and collaboration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coding tips. Thanks for watching.